I think a lot of the learning we do is through having fun, experimentation, and that's exactly what we see here with these LLMs using Super Mario as a benchmark. Now, why is this interesting and fascinating? Because we're in this 2025 year of the agents. We need them to do certain things, and through that, they need multimodal capabilities, meaning not only should they be able to read text, but audio and images, and also reason through problem solving. And that's why this is so much fun, because it's a very dynamic environment. You got the Goombas coming. You've got different obstacles, you've got things that you would like to get. And so we can kind of push LLMs to the limit. Now, let's jump over and just kind of see what this looks like under the hood. I don't have low latency set up, so it isn't going to be as impressive as the demos. I also haven't slowed down because if we go back here and scroll down, people figured out what this actually is. It is a tool which gets controlled by the LLMs. Yes, they provide the frames, about one per, and the LLM decides what to do with multiple actions. So you'll see it's actively taking screenshots, which gets embedded and vectorized, and then the LLM's able to make a decision on what the next action is, which is the reason why low latency and whatnot is super important. I don't have that set up, and it can get pretty expensive. So if I activate the environment and then I run the agent, we're going to see it in action in its unimpressive glory on my system. And you'll be able to see over here, you can see these screenshots being taken, then they're uploaded, and then you should start seeing Mr. Mario move here. And he's going to run right into the Goomba because, again, I don't have anything set up as far as slowing down the NES emulator and then reducing latency, because this stuff gets really expensive. Just to show you, if you're messing around with it, like, this is the amount of tokens. All this is just what I use within my own local chatbot. This is just the gaming. And then so far it's cost me a few dollars just to run this emulator and just have fun with it. But you know what? I'm learning along the way, so it's super important. But I want to take a look under the hood. Again, you'll see screenshots actively update over here, and this is the prompt engineering that it's going through as far as how it's going to be able to control. You can see press the right arrow to move forward, up along with the right left arrow to jump over obstacles and whatnot. Be careful with the gaps. So just telling the LLM that it is this Super Mario agent, even here in the actual Mario agent. You're an intelligent Super Mario gameplay agent that controls Mario. Search for and execute the optimal path given. And I mean, that's basically what it is. It's taking screenshots, and then it is actively asking. Oh, it's already dead. See if I can start this sucker back up and let it play again. You can see it's sleeping. It's taking a brief pause to assess the situation, and then it takes action. Again, I don't have this thing slowed down. It's going to see that much space within that screenshot, and then it's going to add it to the LLM, and then it's going to take action. So if you reduce latency and you add some additional values to it, you should be able to get it to be kind of more active. But mine's dumb. It is dumber than I was when I played this game for the first time when I was like 3 or 4 years old. But it is fascinating and interesting. I'll put the GitHub repository on the description here. You can see there's any number of games if you want to play around on it. If you're a developer and you're using LLMs and you're exploring the utilization of agents and it's kind of art of the possible, I think this is a really cool and fun little project to mess around on. I think it's something I'm going to do, but getting it deployed within a Linux environment, I've got Ubuntu back there, was kind of a pain, but I'll revisit it. It is really fun. And then the comparison that we're seeing between all of these different LLMs with the same prompts it's a lot of fun. So just wanted to share that.